Here at Worcester Academy, I think we meet the needs of all of our students, whether they're just beginners or whether they're the ones that are going to end up in the pros.
It's not just about winning and losing. It's about developing our kids, not just as a player, but because we're helping you grow socially, emotionally, helping your character grow, and really pushing you to go outside your comfort zone.
You have to show up every day for yourself and for your teammates. Leadership, sportsmanship, all those core values really play into what it means to be an athlete here on the Hilltop. Every single day of every single practice, I think we just have a smile on our faces. Everyone does have my back here. In turn, I also have everyone else's back. I think it's important that as athletes, we stick together.
Last year, I ran cross country for the first time. I felt so welcomed and so loved. People from Worcester Academy actually came to support me. It just felt so amazing. Everybody belongs here.
We harness kids' passion, no matter where they're at, meet them where they're at, to develop confidence through sport.
When I first came here, it was kind of, hard to adjust, coming from a small place in Vermont. I had support from coaches, teachers, parents, students, teammates. The people here made it really easy for me to transition. 100% made me a better athlete. Just the fact that I can truly believe in myself and feel safe in this environment.
To be an athletic Hilltopper, it's not just about what sport you play, it's also how it translates over to the academic part. Your teachers help you and also make plans for you so you can balance being on the court while doing your homework.
Our coaches do a great job at teaching them the skills. They push them, they guide them, they're their mentors.
Teachers being coaches is fundamental to the school because it's about the development of the relationships, not just with the players that you have, but with the student body. If they know that you deeply care, trust your team, our team, it's not my team, it's our team, I think it's important.
Capizzoli Athletic Center is a definite game changer for Worcester Academy.
We have such passion and such drive, and now we have a place that matches that. And it means so much to our athletes that we have this facility now.
The Triple at Fitness Room, it is what our kids deserve. We also have the Coughlin Team Room where teams are going to be able to go in and break down film.
Just an absolute gem here in our city. This is a facility for all students.
Coaches at the college level are looking at Worcester Academy because they know that we develop our students into not only good athletes, but they're going to be great in the classroom. They're going to be great ambassadors for their school. Last year, we had a record number. 56 students went on to play at the Division I, Division II, and Division III level. So there is a very strong avenue to get there. Worcester Academy has always been about family. From the moment I stepped on campus, we support each other through the good times, the bad times, the hard times. And I think the kids see that in us, and they see that it's real. We're real, and they want to be a part of that.